guys, welcome to our channel. So anyway, it's been a while na last time na nag-vlog po ako. So right now we're in downtown. See this one here. See. I wanna show you Miguel. Dali lang guys ha. Nahihiya kasi siya eh. Kasi the last time na nag-vlog ako, maliit pa si Miguel. Ngayon malaki na siya guys. Wait, tatawagin ko ha. Miguel!
Bye.
Hi there! Hi guys! Ito siya oh. Nahihiya na siya oh. Ito oh. Miguel! One. Ayan oh. Say hi ba? Hi!
What's up, yo? So,
Oh, ayan na siya ngayon guys. See? Diba? Binata na yung anak ko. So we're here in downtown. Walking around. Actually, kami, inasikaso namin yung kanyang pasaporte. But we're here walking. I'll show you where, okay? Hey guys! Okay, so right now, eto na sa may harborfront po kami. Yan. So, ganyan kaganda kapag summer. And makikita nyo, etong right side na building na to is, I worked there before. Nung wala pa si Miguel. And work ako dyan as a room service. Naghahatid ako ng mga I'm taking orders sa restaurant kasi may restaurant po yan dyan sa taas na yan. Ayan o. Restaurant po yan. Yes. So I work there. How many years din ako nag-work dyan? Maraming years na din. So anyway, I stopped working there nung nanganak na ako kay Miguel. So it's been a while walking this area. And that's a CN Tower. There. Down there. See? Hi guys! Okay, welcome back. So ito, nandito pa kami sa parang pinaka-lake talaga na. Ayan o. Ganyan po. Ano dito. Ayan. Ayan sila dyan. Ayan guys. Parang meron pa na, parang may pirate ship pa dun o, sa may kanto. Here. See? It's nice. Hi guys. Yan o. Ito lang kami namamahinga sandali. Did you see that one? That's a CN Tower. Tapos meron sa dito ng different vlogs. Ayan o. So may uwi na rin kami. So dami na rin mga nagsulputan mga building dito. Dati na nag-work ako dito, hindi pa ganyan kadami yung building. But look. Okay guys, so we're done for the day. At hindi ko na kayo nasama doon sa ibang pinuntahan namin. But right now, we're going home. Anyway, I hope you're gonna like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and please press the notification button para lagi kayong na-update sa aming mga new vlogs. Okay? So anyway, I'll see you next time. Have a good day and God bless. Bye!